In the brisk realm of YouTube art tutorials, one video promises to turn ordinary doodlers into prolific Spider-Man illustrators. How to draw Spider-Man. Join us as we narratively stumble through each scene. Scene 1. Introduction. Our artistic journey begins as the screen fills with an immaculate drawing of Spider-Man, so perfect you'd swear Peter Parker himself had swung by the studio. The narrator, full of pep, entices you to ready your metaphorical web shooters and actual pencils. Hey everyone! Today, we're going to draw Spider-Man step by step. Grab your sketchbook, a pencil, and let's get started. Little do you know, these simple instructions will soon test the limits of your fine motor skills. Scene 2. Drawing the basic pose. Dive into the action with a flourish as the artist starts conjuring circles and lines, which, if you squint really hard, resemble a stick figure. A highly sophisticated one, of course. Start with simple shapes to block out Spider-Man's body. A circle for the head, an oval for the chest, and lines for the arms and legs. Keep it light so you can refine it later. Just like magic, or perhaps a somewhat abstract deconstruction of modern art. Scene 3. Refining the body structure. Watch in, or as those errant lines transform into something vaguely humanoid. Suddenly, Spider-Man is no longer an amorphous blob, but a nimble crime fighter. Now, let's add some details to make the body look more natural. Give Spider-Man a muscular frame by defining his chest, arms, and legs. Remember, he's agile, so keep the lines dynamic. Fear not if your attempt looks more Michelin Man than superhero. Scene 4. Sketching the costume details. Come hither, ye brave souls, and etch the iconic costume onto your creation. The webbing looks impossibly complex, like an exceptionally chic net, but with steely resolve, you muster through. Time to bring Spider-Man to life. Draw the big expressive eyes and the spider emblem on his chest. Then, carefully sketch the webbing pattern, follow the curves of his body to make it look natural. Scene 5. Inking the drawing. Armed with an arsenal of markers, it's time to commit those sketchy lines to a more permanent fate. Now, take your pen and carefully ink over the best lines. Make sure to keep your hand steady and erase any extra pencil marks once you're done. This is not for the faint of heart, it is the baptism by ink. Scene 6. Adding shadows and details. Aptly named, this stage introduces depth where none existed before. To make your drawing pop, add some shading. Darken areas under his arms and along his legs to show depth and lighting effects. Your friends will marvel at the sudden transformation, perhaps even Instagram fame awaits. Scene 7. Coloring Spider-Man. Enter the vibrant domain of colors, where reds and blues bring the drawing to life in a blaze of glory, like a superhero tableau. Now, grab your red and blue colors. Fill in the suit, and don't forget to leave some areas light to show highlights. A darker red around the edges will make the suit look more three-dimensional. Scene 8. Final touches and outro. The moment of triumph. The finished masterpiece beams back at you. And there you have it, Spider-Man is ready. If you followed along, great job. Be sure to share your drawing in the comments. See you in the next tutorial. You exhale, soaked in monochrome ink, yet feeling accomplished like a true artistic avenger.